Alright, some more Chrysler Man of War sailboat stuff. So, knowing that there's very little information on the internet about this boat, I am just going to start putting details out there. Right now, this video is about the sail dimensions and the mast dimensions. So, here you go. Thanks for watching. Alright, so now we're measuring the leach of the sail, which is from the head up there down to the clew, which is this bottom corner. We're looking at 203 inches. Alright, from the head of the sail, which is the top, the luff of the sail, down to the tack, which is the bottom corner here, you're looking at about 209.5 inches. The mast itself on this boat is approximately 242 inches. And we're looking at 2.5 inch diameter on the mast. And the foot of the sail between the tack and the clew is about 106.5 to the outer edge. And there are 3 battens on this sail, and you'll see that they're at such an angle that when you roll the sail up when it's on the mast, then it stays almost parallel with the mast itself. Let's see how long those battens are. Alright, and the batten itself is 36 inches long. And let's see how wide it is. Like, let's go this way. About 1 3/8 wide, roughly. And the batten pocket has in here elastic so that the battens get pushed in, and that elastic kind of captures, and the battens inside it can't come out. There's a bit of a lip inside there, a fold in the fabric, and the batten won't come out while you're sailing. So 3 battens. Alright, that's what I can tell you so far about the sail for Chrysler Man of War.